It is said that a healthy people is a healthy nation, likewise a happy people, a happy king, and it has become almost like a ritual to ensure our safety by making sure that the people around us practice healthy lifestyles. It is for this reason and more that King TACKIE II, King of the Ga State, has organized a free health screening for the people of Gamashie in Accra under the auspices of the Office of the Gamashie. The screening, which took place at the forecourt of the Ga PARAMOUNT Stool House, had hundreds of Gamay come out in their numbers to have themselves checked at no cost to them. The targeted patients for the screening were pregnant women, children, the aged, and widows. Explaining the significance of the screening to Ribi News, Chief Justice Nayale Sarkodie Mensah, the Chief of Staff to the Gamashie, said, "The health of Gamay is paramount to King TACKIE II, and it has become very important to him to protect his people from the novel coronavirus destroying nations and lives." She spoke to OMAR SHERRIF Jr.
Especially many here musum, especially many foreign agbeneke mami onukpa na me here fa ke widows. Ne small ni hilagba mokuna. E wangwene eke aba ni check nurses, doctors, midwives ni aba check mafia mo. Na kwa ke oya hiwalelo. Ka check wagbena ka oba ni chofa. Oba habo chofa because we chofa is short ni pharmaceutical company say e hawo. The more MNG ne ka me hawo chofa P Ariton pharmaceuticals ke others I me hawo chofa P chofa is short painkillers, vitamin C, zinc because during COVID because I get COVID obomode no co vitamin C no co zinc e won ho wo ye ko oba ha me fe ne bia ne ho aha me advice counseling akeshin ne cancer no fe ke obehiwale ko hia musu ne cancer no fe e wo ka check am agbena na ha me chofa agbena ba register national health e ja ke man check ka agbena bia ne small no ko akeshi ehia shika we ya hospital e akeko hia national health card be twan ko ba nyon hospital free ni money hu ne card egbo aba renew ahale free ni many hia musu ke me na me for ka me gbena ho aba ha me bags ni baby ni bi yo me atale ke detol ke samla ke ni bi kan bi ani bi ko na me ke ya hia ko na me ke kai wo manche na me ke kai me na gbena ka me gbena ho wo ba ha me ni e ya ka shi yo holo e sa no cho no yo ni mfa ofen o ka gbena ke ha me lunch e ka gbena ba nya me ya because agbena wo no aka shi national health is compulsory agbena wo no aka shi aka is criminal offense ko fe no me fe ni dwen he they can small ning beme amena sane e won dey bu amena ngene e won fair health screening we on dispense medication they won fair registration of national health and renewal of national health no how you be ngene.
Some beneficiaries of the screening also shared their satisfaction enjoyed towards the good gesture shown them by the king.
Imbe wale wa no akeni gan e ana akwemi no mbani akwemi imba renew health insurance ai ska free ni ga ebo modern wa aja ke ebo modern awo sha time school akwo eko na sure eko wakale obi no sha akwo eko na sure eko no aka ni ga ka ska fie wa mu fie am ka e fie ke wa mu fie am no mi daleshi.
Madam Mabel Ama, the midwife in charge of the screening, explained that though the overwhelming turnout was a challenge, they had enough medication to attend to their health needs.
Find the one fair health screening one ha Gamashie be TSURU hollow ke many happy for kagbeke bi ni afena cafe health insurance aha am a fair many men am no go many men be ko no jino no wa fi ogman egbene o ka mo ko ba na yen problem wo kwa me no ka me yuo wo ha me nga wo no na ma afi ojino no fi agman egbene so far one challenge go no fe no ya no pepepe che fet mo me ya fa iwo shishin mo afi o shi wo won kudo ama ka iba ahi shi no say ale wo be problem wo ye che fan hu kan bi ye ka wa kwa na ko ba ahi am ko wo ka ko ha me
King TACKIE was present at the STOOL house to show support to the medical team and his subjects, and was grateful for the support he got from MNG and Ariton Pharmaceuticals in order to make the health screening meaningful. A report by Samuel LARKAI and SHERRIF OMAR Jr. for EB News, Accra.